today I want to explain to you how to couple a standing fan, like a standing fan. So we start from the beginning to the end. So I did a part one of this video where I explained to you the component. So I will still explain to you before I actually do the coupling for you. So this is the blade for the fan. This is the blade. So and this is just the blade base. Then this is the cover for the blade. So this is the base, like where to stand up. And this is the stand right here. This is the stand right here. So then this is the engine. This is the engine first. See. Then this is the plug. This is the plug to power it. So let's go right into the coupling proper. So you see the base. The base that you see there is a hole here. And this is where this nut will enter. So the main work of this nut is just to hold. The main work of this nut is just to hold the stand, to hold the stand firmly. So something like this goes in like this. You can see it's right here. So you knot it gently. So till when it is firm. It is firm now. It is firm now, like firm to it now. So you can adjust this. You use this one to adjust, like this, to adjust it to go up, then to go down, depending on the height of the fan. To adjust, so depending on the height of the fan. So, well, I'm gonna reduce it now. So after that, we have this. This is the engine, and this is the engine. So to enter right here. Just to make sure it is firm, so that it is firm now. So here, there's a knot here. There's no knot here. Use it to knot it so that it will be firm. So let me check it out. So there's my screwdriver. So you make sure it is firm, like firm. So after that, so then this cover, we have this, but this is the base. I went higher. So 4 knots here, 4 different knots here. So this is the hole that we enter. One we enter here, one we enter here, one we enter here, one we enter here. So let's just to trace them. This is a magnetic screwdriver. So it goes like this. And coming and trace down very well. Okay. So we fix the second one. So we fix the third knot. So then the fourth one. So immediately after that, so this is your blade, like this is your blade. So fix it right there. Fix it right there. So this is the cover for the blade. So we tied it anti-clockwise. See it anti-clockwise. So it's working perfectly. Like so. After that, then I'll put the cover. So this is the cover. Alright, this is the cover. So the cover also have screws. And then let me fix the cover screw also. It also have like 4 screws, so you used to cover it. So we have the spaces. So the last one we enter here. So you can adjust it up here. This is not tutorial. So let's test our fan to know whether it's working or not. It's perfectly working now. So it's perfectly working now. So kindly subscribe to the channel. I promise to give you interesting electrical content also. So if you have any question, just drop it at the comment section. I promise to answer you without any stress. So the phone number will be there, and any question that you need, so just put it at the comment section, so I'll respond to that. So thank you very much for your time. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, comment, like the video to help YouTube algorithm. Thank you.